When we implemented Connect Team, the biggest thing for me as a company owner was actually taking back control of my own company.
The company is a commercial cleaning company.
Over 400 employees across a variety of different sites.
Across the whole of the UK. Any problems or goes on within the buildings, our operatives will be there.
Before Connect Team, it was a logistical nightmare. We had paper timesheets, spreadsheets, emails, WhatsApp groups.
It was harder to pass information through, so everyone's aware of what's going on.
Our guys chasing the tail, and at the end of the day, they still would get the information would be wrong. We saved approximately £32,000 a year in salaries for timesheets alone. We can see it instantly. That's who the operative is. There's no doubt that's the hours that were done.
The payroll process, 1 to 2 days is all it takes now as opposed to 15.
The clock is amazing because it gives us complete visibility of where our operatives are.
The geo mapping, I could see my site and that the guys, when they clocked in and they were there.
We did have a few people who'd say they were at work, but then the client would disagree. So now that we've got that, we can confirm that.
I like the chat, the ability to talk to people either individually or by site, which saves us a huge amount of time.
If you've got a lone person worker, they may see an area manager once a month if they're lucky.
So as soon as they write anything down on the chat in the app, everyone in the office sees it, so then they can be of help.
Using Connect Team has increased our retention.
90% of our employees engage regularly with Connect Team.
It creates like a community. They're not on their own on that one site. They've got a whole team with them in their pocket.
I'd get a job come through, take a picture before I do that job, take a picture of after, describe it, what I had to do, how I done it.
Really good tool for us to provide to our clients so we can give them complete transparency.
It's a digital world and everyone expects that digitally.
It's better than using WhatsApp because you have instant access to all their documents. Say for instance, God forbid there's ever an accident on site, all have to do is click on their profile. We've got everything about them.
I was hunting everywhere and then I found Connect Team and I thought it was a little bit too good to be true. I asked for a demo and within 10 minutes of being in that demo, I told them to stop it and I got the system there and then on the spot and we implemented it the following day. And since then, I've not looked back.
It's great support from Connect Team. When I joined the team, they were able to show me how to use it and I think it's very, very easy to use, very user-friendly.
Hours that it's saved me. It saved my mental health, I think, so I got to enjoy more time at home.
From a security point of view, it's better, as you can imagine. And obviously it has much more functions to Connect Team than there is to WhatsApp. We can store a lot of data, do timesheets, etc. Whereas WhatsApp usually has one function and that's just a direct message.
Automizes everything for us.
Very straightforward, very self-explanatory.
Everyone's on the same page.
An employer's dream. It's literally everything all in one place.
Now I'm so used to having it. So when I see other people or industry colleagues trying to find people and I'm like, yeah, you need to get with the times, you need to change. I've got that. I've got instant access to everybody in the company and they've got access to me.